Hello everyone, and welcome to another OPS P6 Flipped Classroom video. The last time I made a video was about global warming. And again, this video is about global warming, but this time the English has been simplified for learners who are at the beginner's level. So, let's go back to this. Let's start with the simplified version. Part A. What is global warming? Global warming happens when CO2 goes up into the atmosphere and builds up there. At around the same time, sunshine heats up the earth. The sun's heat cannot leave because the CO2 in the atmosphere is keeping it there. The earth becomes very hot because CO2 is trapping the sun's heat. So over here you have the sun, and its heat shines down on earth. But unfortunately, CO2 is collected up here in the atmosphere. When that happens, the sun's rays have no way of escaping the earth's atmosphere, therefore trapping all of the sun's heat and making the earth even hotter. Part B. What are the causes of global warming? Number 1. Smoke or CO2 coming from factories. Many factories, like the ones that make cement, natural gas, or coal, produce a lot of harmful smoke like CO2, which is released into the atmosphere. Number 2. Rubbish. Rubbish, like plants, plastic, paper, glass, and metal, are thrown into landfills every day. Landfills produce a lot of CO2 and methane gas that are bad for the atmosphere. Number 3. Burning oil, coal, and gas. Burning oil. We burn oil, gas, and coal to make energy like electricity for our homes and gas for our cars. Burning oil, coal, and gas create a lot of CO2. Number 4. Cutting trees. Trees breathe in CO2 to help them grow. They breathe out oxygen, or O2, into the air that is good for all of us. When we cut trees, the CO2 inside of them is released into the atmosphere. Number 5. Farm animals. Farm animals, like cows, sheep, and goat, produce a lot of methane when they poop. Methane, just like CO2, is very bad when released into the air. More farm animals mean more methane is made. Part C. What are the effects of global warming? Number 1. The weather is getting hotter. Because there's no way for the sun's heat to escape the Earth's atmosphere due to the buildup of CO2, the weather on our planet is getting hotter and hotter every season. Number 2. More storms. Global warming causes winds to move faster. In places like the USA and Europe, there are more snowstorms because of the fast-moving cold air. In hot places like Asia, there are more and more super typhoons because the air is getting hotter and moving faster. Number 3. The ice is melting and sea levels are rising. Polar ice and glaciers are melting fast in the Arctic and Antarctic, causing sea levels to rise fast. Many countries, like Bangladesh, are having more heavy rains and flooding. Many people have lost their homes because of this. Part D. How can we stop global warming? Number 1. Reduce, reuse more, and recycle more paper, plastic, newspaper, glass, and aluminum cans. Number 2. Use energy-saving light bulbs to save electricity. Number 3. Buy energy-efficient appliances to save electricity. Make sure it has an Energy Star sticker on it. Number 4. Switch off computers, TV, and other devices and don't leave them on standby mode. Number 5. Recycle organic waste by mixing them with the soil in your garden. You can also throw it in an organic waste recycling bin. Number 6. Bring a reusable bag whenever you go shopping or do the groceries. Number 7. Plant more trees. Number 8. Eat less meat and more fruits and vegetables. Number 9. Walk and use public transportation more instead of driving your own car. Number 10. Use more renewable sources of energy like solar power or wind power. This is the end of the flipped classroom video. Please complete the worksheet and be ready next lesson to share your answers.